What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can earn up to $60, right? Just by watching videos. So you can make money online. I decided I want to share this video with you. So if this is your first time to my channel, subscribe, like, hit that bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know, all right? So the website that I'm going to be talking about today is called user testing, right? So you could get paid to test a website or an app. So this company is basically looking for people that would like to test different apps, see how it works before that specific company do any investment or some sort, right? So if you look here, you can earn up to $60 per test, right? Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and you get paid. So you could sign up for free, and how it works, and we're going to dive into this right away. So how it works, you get $10 via PayPal every 20 minutes, every 20 video you complete. So if you're a person who likes to watch a lot of videos, or let's say you just finished work, you're tired, but hey, you still got a little bit of energy, you have like an hour or 2 hours to spare, right? You can basically make, I would say 10 times 20, that's like $30 an hour. So 30 times 2, you're looking at $60. So you can easily make $60 just by watching videos. And most of you probably watch a lot of videos anyways, so might as well make money watching videos, right? So that's a good thing about this website. So they'll give you like the instructions here, and they'll tell you exactly how it works. As you can see, more than over 700,000 tests taken by users for companies like, Zendesk, Apple, Microsoft. So these are huge companies. They want to test apps. And the reason for this is because there's so many different apps and download, and there's, they have to fix bugs. They want to make sure that the app is working before they even advertise it, or, just to get people to make sure that it is functionable, right? So what do I need to do to get started? Or what do I need to get started, right? You need a PC or a Mac. You definitely need an internet connection. You need a microphone, and you'll need an iPhone, iPad. So you're definitely going to need a phone, because you're going to be testing apps, and you're also going to be testing websites. So yeah, you're definitely going to need a phone for sure, and the ability to download our testing software. So as long as your phone or computer can be able to download this thing, you're ready to go. You must be at least 18 years old, of course, and have an ability to speak thoughts aloud in English. So that's what you need to do. So how much money can I make? While user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side, it won't make you rich. Of course, you're not going to get rich. You're not going to get a ton of, life-changing decision, but you can make some money on the side. Maybe you want to use that money on grocery. You want to buy some gas. You want to, get things going. And if you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, check out the link in the description, and you learn more about what we do here. We teach people how to market online and all that type of stuff. So just check it out, all right? So as you can see here, how you get paid, make sure you set up a PayPal account. You definitely want to set up a PayPal account, and PayPal is indeed free, so you can sign up for it, and you'll receive your payment exactly 7 days after completing a website. So if you complete a website on Monday, you'll get paid the next Monday, right? So that's how they do it, and you can earn money just by doing that. So this is definitely, right, a lot of you probably wondering, is this worldwide, right? As you can see, we're accepting testers from following countries: Africa, Middle East, Asia, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, and the Caribbean, United States, and Canada. So that's how it works. So you guys can come over here and, test it out. You can make some money on the side. It's a great way if you want to start, your own business online, make some money here, do some work, do the work, get paid, and invest into your business, all right? So I hope this video helped, guys, and this is how you can make some money and earn up to $60, all right? Thank you so much for watching. This is worldwide, so that's a good thing. It's good for everybody. So make sure you sign up and you start with it right away. All right. Have a great day. Like, subscribe. You know the drill. Peace.